Same, tell me.
Now we are moving towards our learning process, and I am going to start. This will be 15-minute session. Okay. After 15 minutes, the
Yes,
meeting will end. Okay. So you are going to
Okay,
learn
sir.
about IELTS question and answers. So first, I am going to show you the vocabulary, and you will also get the video of this lecture as well. Okay. So don't worry if there will
Yes,
be.
sir.
Okay. So vocabulary to speak about family and friends. First thing is that we have to learn about the new words and the new things, like a lifelong friend, a friend that you have had for most of your life, a relationship of trust. Okay. You can read the meaning here. Okay. Arrange a dinner date, shoulder to cry on, close knit family. So you can read on the screen when you will see the video next time. So here is words, expressions,
Some vocabulary words.
okay, some vocabulary words. Okay. And then you are going
Yeah.
to learn about the answers. You are going to learn about the questions and answers. And here is a question, and then you will see the answer as well. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
this is sample question. Do you come from a large family? Answer: my immediate family is not very big. I have a large extended family that includes many uncles, aunts, and cousins. We are a close knit family and we like to keep in touch with one another. So birthdays and other celebrations are noisy and crowded affair. Okay. So here you have seen a question and a sample answer question, and I have read it for you. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, just tell about of my own family or overall.
When was the last time you had a family function? So here you can read the answers very easily. Okay. So what is the main thing that in IELTS you will be asked about such sort of questions, and these are family questions. Okay. When was the last time you had a family function? Answer: our extended family got together last year to celebrate my grandfather's 80th birthday. He is very dear to my heart. He has kept up healthy relationship with the whole family. So it was a happy occasion that we all enjoyed. Okay. Would you take a friend on a family holiday? Answer: I have my family and my best friend go to know each other quite well, as she visited me quite frequently at my home. My family believes that we should nurture our friendship, so they encourage me to bring my friend along when we took a seaside holiday last year. Have you got some idea about this? Would you like to ask anything about that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay, good. So then there is a topic, sample question and answer. Tell me about your best friend. And the cues are discuss who the person is, the circumstances of your meeting, कि किस तरह आप उनसे मिले, and what it is that you like about them, कि अपने friend के बारे में आप क्या पसंद करते हैं. Answer and then Mr. Wasim, would you like to read this answer? I am going to place it in a proper sequence. You please read it. I hope you will be able to read it very easily. Yes. Read it, my best friend.
Sorry, sir. The writing is very small.
Okay, okay. I
Yeah,
can.
just sir, little zoom.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now it's okay. Okay, answer my best friend
Okay, sir.
and G.
And I got to know each other when we were still very young. We lived in neighbor house.
Neighboring houses.
We
Neighboring
had
house.
a
Lot in
neighbor.
common.
Sorry, sir.
We had I read for you. We had a lot in common. यानी सब एक जैसी बातें थी हमें काफी सारी. So we soon hit it off. कि हम बहुत ही जल्दी यानी कि गहरे दोस्त बन गए as we have grown older.
Sir, I read it.
यानी कि हम गहरे दोस्त बन गए ना
Sir,
as
I
we
read
have.
it.
yes मैं आपको इसके बारे में
Can I
बताता
read?
हूँ जो मैंने ऊपर आपको वोकैबुलरी शो करवाई है वहां पर इसका इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश मीनिंग है ठीक है मैंने आपको लफ्जी
जी
मतलब
सर।
बता दिया वहां पे
सर,
आपको ये देखें ना फॉर एग्जांपल ये हम ऊपर गए
sir, excuse me, sir.
यस एक्सक्यूज ये देखें
Ex-
जी बोलें
sir, actually, I says I read it.
Can I read?
ठीक है ये देखें ओके टू हिट इट ऑफ ठीक है ना ये देखें टू हिट इट ऑफ टू लाइक ईच अदर स्ट्रेट अवे ठीक है ना यानी आपस में घुल मिल जाना ओके मिस्टर शहजाद यू वांट्स टू रीड दिस
Okay. Yes, sir.
yes but today I will read it for you and then next time you will read
Next
okay
time.
okay my best friend and
Okay.
I got to know each other when we were still very young we lived in neighboring houses we had a lot in common so we soon hit it off okay as we
Okay.
have grown older we have moved apart because of this we have to some degree lost touch क्या हुआ lost touch देखिए ना ये idiomatic expression है कि हम आपस में मिलते नहीं थे but anyone who has had a lifelong friend would understand that she will always be dear to my heart when we do find ourselves in the same city we arrange a dinner date so that we can enjoy each other's company. We share the same ideas and we share a common background. We enjoy reminiscing about our past exploits. When we struck up a friend जब किसी दोस्त से मिलते as children we were inseparable यानी हमें जुदा नहीं किया था in those early days we built up relationship of trust that time and distance cannot break कि हम दूर भी रहते हैं तो हम करीब ही होते हैं ठीक है ये आपके लिए एक
Okay, sir.
सैंपल था जिसमें ये ऊपर क्यों लिखी हुई है कि अबाउट टेल मी अबाउट योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड ठीक है ये क्यों थी और उसके बारे में ये एक छोटा सा एक एक्सप्रेशन हमें मिला ठीक है ओके इसमें अब जो फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन होते हैं जब आइल्स का इंटरव्यू होता है तो फिर जब फ्रेंडशिप का टॉपिक आता है तो फिर आगे क्वेश्चंस भी हैं डू यू थिंक दैट आफ्टर आवर फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन वर्किंग कोलीग्स आर अप्रोप्रिएट ठीक है चलें जी अब इसका आंसर पढ़ेंगे अपना शहजाद पढ़ें
I think that it is important to have a good working relationship. Colleagues should extend the hand of friendship to newcomers in the workplace. I don't believe, however, that professional relationship should extend into the domestic domains as this may affect office politics.
okay wait a bit I have to share sound
Well done, bhai Shahzad. Well done.
okay so the next question Wasim read the question and speak the answer Wasim do you
Do you think that social media is changing the way that we relate to our friends and family?
yes,
वसीम ने नहीं पढ़ा सर मैंने पढ़ा
आप पढ़ दें आंसर भी आप ही पढ़ दें यस आंसर in some ways yes read करें
in some ways yes social media allows us to build up relationships with distant cousins even with those that live on foreign soil it
foreign
also helps
soil foreign
foreign
जी
Yes.
lives on
foreign soil okay
it also helps us to make connections with long lost friends who we may never have spoken to or see again.
यानी जो
On the
ऑनलाइन
other
हमारे
hand,
दोस्त होते हैं, ठीक है ना?
we
अदर हैंड
on the other hand, we often spend far too much time on our digital devices instead of socializing face to face.
जी वसीम, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़े आप। वसीम,
Do you think that so? Do you think that people who enter into
People.
a people who enter into a long-term relationship should continue with their friends from their single day?
Friendships. Friendships.
सिंगल डेज, यानी अपनी
From
फ्रेंडशिप को
the
कंटिन्यू
single
रखते हैं।
days.
जी आंसर, आई थिंक दैट इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू नर्चर आवर फ्रेंडशिप, कि अपनी फ्रेंडशिप को आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए, वेदर और नॉट वी आर इन अ लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप। नॉट ऑल रिलेशनशिप स्टैंड द टेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, and if you have relationships problems, you may one day need a
Problem.
shoulder to cry on। ठीक है, वो कह रहा है कि आपको कभी तो जरूरत पड़ेगी ना। इन माय व्यू, too
Many
many
people.
people abandon their friends when they
Abandon.
become involved in relationship, कि वो अपने दोस्तों को छोड़ देते हैं। जब उनको कोई नए दोस्त मिल जाते हैं तो अपने पुराने दोस्तों को छोड़ देते हैं। ठीक है,
Sure.
ठीक है। तो ये फ्रेंडशिप के बारे में एक कंप्लीट इंटरव्यू है, जिसमें आपसे कुछ सवाल शुरू में पूछे गए फ्रेंडशिप के बारे में, पहले आपने उनका जवाब दिया। उससे पहले ये आपने वोकैबुलरी देखी है फ्रेंडशिप के बारे में। तो ये अभी तकरीबन 5 to 10 मिनट्स में ये वीडियो आपको ICG IELTS पे मिल जाती है, और उसके आप रिव्यू कर लेंगे इसी चीज़ को। ओके, बात समझ आ रही है आपको?
Okay.
So YouTube,
जी,
YouTube
अभी
पे आएगी
Yes,
सर?
sir.
YouTube पे आ जाएगी फौरन। ओके,
Okay, sir.